Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. Meet the Arlo 2K second-generation video doorbell, delivering sharp 2K video, a wider field of view, and smarter motion alerts right at your front door. With crystal clear day and night vision, two-way audio, and seamless smart home integration, it's built to keep your home secure and connected. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Arlo video doorbell, USB charging cable, wire extension kit, flat mounting plate, angled mounting plate, security latch release, screw kit, quick start guide, technical specifications. Experience crisp 2K resolution, up to 1944 by 1944 for clear front door footage, with an ultra-wide 180-degree diagonal lens that covers your entire porch. Stay connected effortlessly with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and enjoy a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 months per charge. Black and white night vision ensures low light clarity up to 20 feet, while full duplex two-way talk with noise reduction and echo cancellation lets you communicate clearly. Smart motion detection alerts you to movement within 10 feet, and cloud storage is supported through an Arlo Secure subscription. Designed to withstand rain, heat, and cold, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius. You can use traditional indoor chimes or the Arlo Chime Vi 2, and with smartphone integration, you'll receive alerts and be able to answer your door directly from your phone. Product features. Capture every detail at your front door with sharp 2K resolution. The 180-degree diagonal lens ensures you get a full view of your porch, so no visitor or package goes unnoticed. Advanced AI technology distinguishes people from other moving objects, like pets or cars, so you only get meaningful alerts. This smart detection helps reduce false notifications and keeps your home security efficient. Equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, the Arlo doorbell lets you talk to visitors directly through your smartphone. Whether you're at work or away from home, you can greet guests, give instructions, or deter unwanted visitors instantly. Built to withstand all kinds of weather, the Arlo video doorbell performs reliably, rain or shine, in scorching heat or freezing cold. Its durable design ensures your security is never compromised. On top of that, the built-in rechargeable battery can last up to 4 months on a single charge, giving you long-lasting power without the hassle of frequent recharging. App connection. Begin by downloading the Arlo app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Open the app, then sign into your existing Arlo account or create a new account if you don't have one. This app will be your control hub for live video, alerts, and settings. Make sure your doorbell is either fully charged or connected to your existing doorbell wiring for power. Press and hold the sync button on the back of the device until the LED starts blinking, signaling it's ready to pair. Then, in the app, select Add Device, choose Doorbell, and follow the on-screen instructions to begin pairing. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network in the app and enter the password. Wait for the doorbell to connect, usually indicated by a solid or slow-blinking LED. Once connected, you can test the live video feed, set motion detection zones, configure alerts, and choose chime options. After confirming everything works, mount the doorbell using the flat or angled plate if needed. Your device is now fully paired and ready to use. How to install. Select the ideal location near your front door where the doorbell can clearly capture visitors. Mount the doorbell at a comfortable height of about 48 inches, 4 feet, from the ground for easy interaction and optimal camera angle. Make sure it's within reach of your existing doorbell wiring. Also, consider visibility, lighting, and exposure to weather to ensure the best performance. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any risk of electric shock. Carefully expose your existing doorbell wires and connect them securely to the terminals on the Arlo doorbell. Polarity does not matter, but make sure the wires are tight and that no copper is exposed outside the terminals. This ensures safe and reliable power delivery to the doorbell. Choose either the flat or angled mounting plate depending on your doorway setup. Secure the plate to the wall using the screws and anchors provided in the package. Once the plate is fixed, attach the Arlo doorbell by snapping it into place. Double-check that the doorbell is firmly mounted and level for a neat and stable installation. How to charge? To charge the Arlo 2K second-generation video doorbell, remove it from the wall mount using the release pin, bring it indoors, and connect the supplied USB-C cable to a power adapter. While charging, the LED indicator will show activity, and once it turns solid blue, the battery is fully charged. After that, simply snap the doorbell back onto its mount. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. Talking about materials and build, the Arlo 2K second-generation video doorbell features a clean, weather-resistant plastic body with a slim, modern look, while the Ring Video Doorbell Plus uses a sturdier plastic build with a more traditional, chunky design for outdoor durability. The Arlo delivers 2K HDR video with a wider viewing angle, giving you sharper details and a taller head-to-toe view, whereas the Ring Doorbell Plus records in 1080p HD, which is clear but less detailed, with a slightly narrower field of view. The Arlo 2K second generation comes with a rechargeable built-in battery and also supports optional hard wiring for trickle charging, while the Ring Video Doorbell Plus uses a removable quick-release battery pack, making swaps faster if you keep a spare charged. Pros and cons. The Arlo 2K second-generation video doorbell delivers crisp 2K video and a wide 180-degree view, letting you see every detail at your door. It's flexible too. Install wire-free with the rechargeable battery or hardwire for continuous power. With two-way audio, motion alerts, night vision, and smart home integration, it keeps your home secure day and night. Some features need a subscription, and the battery must be removed to charge. But overall, it's a feature-packed doorbell with great video quality and reliable security. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.